So in previous tutorial we have created this page, and now we want to use some CSS here so that the page will become interactive. Let's see, we have this Facebook login page. I want similar page to be created here. Okay, we will create similarly page so that we can use it. So instead of this we will write some. I'm not using this. I will create one more tr here inside this, and this tr I will be creating one td, and here I am writing Facebook. So instead of that it is coming like this, but I want Facebook looks like this. Login to Facebook, and here call span is equal to 1, call span 2. Okay, this call span is working, but I want this to be okay. I will create one border here so that we can understand. 1 px solid black. Okay, now you can see this is working, but I want this table to be centrally located. So here align center, so it is aligned centrally, but I want in the middle. So I want this Facebook page to be here in center somewhere. So for this I will be using style tag, style attribute margin left colon auto comma margin right colon t. Let's check whether this styling is working or not. Okay, so here if you see, so we have margin around 100 dp, 100 pixels. So what I will create, I will margin to 100. So this won't work. Margin top 100 px. This is not required, I think. Let's check now. Okay, yeah, so it is working now. And now we want one more here, this Facebook we want above of this one. So what we will do, we will create, what is this a image or what? Let's check. So this is actually an image. So what I will do, I will copy this tag and I will put somewhere here above this form. Think copied. Save this image. So this I have saved. Click on Ctrl S and this will be saved here. So I saved this. Facebook.svg page is there, and we can use image tag to show this one. So I have img tag, and here I am closing this img, and we have this src. In this src we have to copy this entire name here and refresh this. So this Facebook is coming in center, but it is too big, so we will align this. Whatever the property they have used, same property we will use. So here if you see, the properties for image tag is this one. So same property I will be using here. So currently I'm using normal style tag to put those property here.